Tuesday forecast, and it has already caused many delays or actually cancellation of flights. Over 450 at O'Hare and about 30 at Midway. So if you're traveling through the skies in the Midwest, you might want to call ahead because you might not be getting out. And we've already seen some pretty good amounts of snow. So far, this is 5.2 inches. That's on 60th and Ashland in Chicago. Heaviest amount we've seen is Lakeside, Waukegan, 6.7. And everybody else is pretty much between 2 to 4 inches. The least amount of snowfall has fallen in the western suburbs, but O'Hare right now has 4 inches at around 4:30. And Chicago, well, WGN, Tom Skilling, everybody knows Tom Skilling. He went outside himself and got his ruler out and measured 4.5 inches right here at WGN. So we're going right to the radar. This is the last 6 hours. And boy, as those winds are out of the north, you are really seeing some heavy snow bands starting to set up, especially into Cook County. And this is going to be the case into Lake County as well, where we continue to see winter weather advisory until 8 p.m. So we're looking outdoors right now. There's the purple that's showing where the heaviest amount of snowfall is right now, right around Midway and Lansing, and visibility has been down. That's why we have plenty of areas that now are under a lake effects warning, but I'll show you that in just a second. Look at how that low pressure system continues to swirl. This is really deepening, and so those winds were able to come out of the north, but then after later on this evening into overnight, then those winds will be out of the northwest, and then they're going to really have some problems around the lake. So a lake effect warning for this is LaPorte and Porter County, farther to the south and around the lake. That's because they're going to see several hours of snowfall while we continue to see into Lake, DuPage, Kankakee, Will, and also Cook. That expires at 8 p.m. So one time visibility was down to 1/4 mile at O'Hare, but now it's around 1 mile to 2 miles. And tonight we're going to continue to keep the snow flying around the metro area, but it'll come to an end after midnight, 17 to 23 for the overnight low, with the winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 and gusty at times. Now for your Wednesday forecast, still lots of snow out there. Oh, that would be our... We don't need that graphic. There it is, the visibility. Oh, wow, did I really screw this forecast up? Definitely one of my better ones, right, folks? Okay, so we'll continue to keep lake effect snow showers around the lake 24 to 28, and then that all-important 7-day forecast. Around the lake, you can see anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of snow as that continues to add up. And then we'll have another chance Friday night into Saturday and also Sunday. We'll have more snow, could get a couple to a few inches again. The big difference since yesterday was that cold Arctic air. It looks like it's going to be put on hold. Maybe it'll arrive on Tuesday or Wednesday. Models haven't really come together very well with that one. Looks like I haven't come together very well when it came to those graphics today. So be careful if you're headed out and about. Some of those secondary streets or side streets could be a little bit slushy and slick out there. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it is Duffinately Weather.